Download and copy the AutoPlay APK to USB flash, and then connect it to the head unit. We can install the AutoPlay app on the File Manager app. Open the settings and we can switch the connection mode. Connect the Carplay module to the head unit through a USB cable. To connect the wired Carplay, please connect the module in your iPhone via a USB charge cable. Please click OK, and the Carplay icon will light up. Finally, you can connect it by pressing the button. Now, we test the connection of wireless Carplay. Go to the AutoPlay setting and choose the Wireless Carplay option. Press the icon to turn on the Bluetooth of Carplay box. Connect the Bluetooth device named AutoPlay 31F. When you successfully connect the Bluetooth of the Carplay box, wireless Carplay will be automatically connected.